Hey guys, how you all doing? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Will. On this channel, I show you how to make delicious food in your own home. If you like the sound of that, subscribe now and click the bell so you don't miss out on any upcoming videos of mine. Today I'm going to show you how to make a classic Italian panna cotta. Super easy, this recipe, and has this gorgeous, silky, smooth texture. Let's get started.
In this recipe, I'm going to use powdered gelatin because I find it's more precise. But if you want to use leaf gelatin, use 1.5 sheets. If you want the full measurements to this recipe, they're down in the description below. Pour in equal amounts of milk and cream to the saucepan and add the sugar to the milk and cream. By adding the sugar now will reduce the chance of the milk and cream boiling over. With the flavouring, you can flavour with anything. Today I'm keeping it simple by flavouring with vanilla extract. But panna cotta, all it is cooked cream. Once the milk and cream has came to the boil, remove from the heat. Now add in the gelatin and whisk it until completely incorporated. If you're using leaf gelatin, just place it in some cold water until it turns soft and then squeeze out the excess liquid and just place it into the pan and whisk it in exactly the same. Traditionally, you would serve it in moulds and unmold onto the plate, but today we're just keeping it simple by serving in glasses. Once filled up to the top, place in the fridge for a minimum of 12 hours, preferably overnight, until set. Now guys, we're going to make a mixed berry coulis to go on top of the panna cotta. Place the berries and sugar and a splash of water into the saucepan. Cook it over medium heat until the berries are broken down, like this. Now you're going to strain it, making sure you get all the juice out of the berries. Now return to the heat and reduce to your desired consistency. I just want to thicken it slightly bit more, just so it can coat the back of a spoon. Now you're just going to let it cool to room temperature before pouring it on top of your panna cottas. Once you've poured it all on top of the three, and place it back in the fridge to cool completely. Guys, there you have it. It's such a delicious dessert this. There's a silky smooth panna cotta. It's the best you can get. Super delicious.
If you enjoyed this video, can you please drop me a like down below? It would help me out a lot. If you want to follow me on Instagram, my Instagram is right about here. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.